Hey guys, Dave here. This is a quick little product shot for Clint Frozen Backy Blender. Clint, I know that you and I have been chatting about some of the stuff you want, but I just wanted to kind of toss this one at you. This is what I'm taking camping right here, and it's a Montana leather, nice soft leather, oil tanned, and I can go the whole. Well, I'm leaving tomorrow and I'll be back. I don't know, Tuesday. I can take full 10 of what else? Orlik Golden Slice. Tamper. These are nice. This is a sheath that I put my pipe cleaners in. Lighter. And a couple of pipes. That's all I need. I'll probably take another 10 of something else and carry that around with me, but these are a really fun little thing to have. You say they fit anywhere, they look great. I don't know if you'd be interested in one. These silly little things, believe it or not, they're hard to make. They're about $25 to make that stupid thing. These things, I sell those for $75. Anyhow, I know that that's not what you were interested in. I understand that, but I just thought I'd show you what kind of other options we have. Anyways, oh, and the stitching on this is a contrasting stitching. I can do blended stitching or whatever, but you know, I just like that one. That's my own personal one. Unfortunately, I have no more of this leather left, but I've got plenty of this leather, which is kind of like a nubuck. So you scratch it or whatever and just rubs right out. Anyways, talk to you soon. See ya.